These already looked like glass, but I wanted to see if I could make them look like they were actually covered in water using products I already had at home. First, I applied a matte top coat and cured it for 60 seconds. The matte background helps the droplets stand out a lot more. I started with rhinestone glue and a fine liner brush because it gave me a lot more control over the droplet shapes. Instead of making every droplet identical, I mixed different sizes and shapes to make them look a little more natural. If you already have a thicker gel like a 5-in-1 or even rhinestone glue, you probably don't need to buy a separate water droplet gel. Once I liked the placement, I flash cured the nail before moving on to the next one. Then I wanted to compare it with my 5-in-1 multifunctional gel. I used the exact same technique, but this gel flowed just a little more before curing. Personally, I actually preferred this one because the droplets looked a little softer and more realistic, while the rhinestone glue gave me slightly firmer, more defined droplets. I also found that keeping the droplets random made a big difference. Some were tiny, some were larger, and a few were grouped together just like real water would naturally sit on a surface. After that, I gave everything a final 30-second cure. I wasn't expecting such a small detail to completely change the look of these nails, but I think the water droplets made the glass effect look even more realistic. Which version do you prefer? The plain glass tips or the water droplets? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see another easy nail design, check out this video right here.